Importance of kitchen remodeling. Focus on small kitchen remodels, addressing common misconceptions about costs. Factors influencing small kitchen remodel costs: size and layout of the kitchen, quality of materials and finishes, complexity of the project, labor and contractor fees, additional features and upgrades. Budgeting for your small kitchen remodel. Setting realistic budget goals, allocating funds for different aspects of the remodel. Tips for maximizing your budget. Average cost breakdown for small kitchen remodels: cabinetry and countertops, flooring, appliances, lighting fixtures, plumbing and electrical work, miscellaneous expenses. Cost-saving strategies for small kitchen remodels: refacing or refinishing cabinets instead of replacing them, opting for cost-effective countertop materials, DIY projects and labor-saving tips, comparison shopping for appliances and fixtures, negotiating with contractors for better pricing. Hidden costs to consider: structural repairs and modifications, permits and inspection fees, unexpected expenses during the remodel process. Real-life examples and case studies: budget-friendly small kitchen remodels, mid-range remodels with moderate costs, high-end renovations and their associated expenses. Conclusion: recap of key points about small kitchen remodel costs, encouragement for readers to plan carefully and budget wisely. Final thoughts on achieving a beautiful kitchen within a reasonable budget.